welcome to this sneak peek of MomDime 2.0 on iOS using a all-new native SwiftUI interface. So starting on the welcome page, we can see we've added a nice little help dialog to the first page you see when you enter. Here's our create dialog, and here's our help dialog where we can see some of the tutorial videos. So today we're just going to look at our example models, starting with the Drupal. You can see we're now rendering in SceneKit, the 3D modeling API that Apple provides as part of its Swift UI kit framework. So you can drag the model using one finger to rotate or two fingers to pinch to zoom or translate. Here's our report view showing some of our symbols and also our plots. So we'll go look at another one of our examples, our standard 3-link pendulum. This is something I'm going to fix when we actually release this app, but the model got translated down to the bottom just because a default setting didn't get properly handled. But anyway, we can quickly manipulate the 3D rendering to our liking. And once again, looking at our report text and the plots. Lastly, we'll go look at our spinning box example for the 3D rigid body mechanics showing the intermediate axis theorem. Pretty simple here, just a basic rectangular object. Let it play for a minute, zoom in. One thing I'll note is that we are looking at this in dark mode because I happen to be using this at night. However, the new version of the app will actually be responsive to the mode setting on your own iPhone. So if you're using light mode, you'll get a nice light diagram. If you're using dark mode, you'll see it just like we see here. So anyway, I'm very excited. This will be coming out soon. I'm hoping to have an official release by the new year, January 1st, 2023. So stay tuned.